We will fix run as administrator not working in Windows. So let's get started. Press Windows plus I to launch settings. And select the Apps option. Select the problematic app and click the Uninstall button. Use Windows plus R to open the Run dialog, type msconfig, and click OK. Navigate to the Services tab at the top, check the Hide All Microsoft Services box, and click the Disable All button. From here, click the Startup tab at the top, and then choose Open Task Manager. Right-click each of the applications there, and select Disable. Now head back to the System Configuration window, click Apply and OK to save changes, and restart your PC. Press Windows plus I to open the Settings app and select the Update and Security option. Click Recovery in the left pane and then click the Restart Now button under the Advanced Startup section. Choose Troubleshoot and then select Advanced Options. Next, click on Startup Settings and then on the Restart button. After your PC reboots, you should see a list of options. To boot into safe mode with networking, press 5 or F5.